Neoclassical age, Restoration plus Augustan age. Restoration plus Augustan age is Neoclassical age. Restoration age is also called Age of Dryden. Restoration age is also called Age of Dryden. What was the restored in England in 1660? Monarchy. Monarchy was restored in England in 1660. Who came to throne in 1660? Charles II came to throne in 1660. What was the order of the Clarendon Code? Re-establishment of the Church of England was the order of the Clarendon Code. What was the swept across the country in the Restoration age? Licentious and frivolity. Licentious and frivolity was swept across the country in the Restoration age. Restoration writers imitated French writers. Racine, Boileau, and Pascal were the French writers. English writers imitated them. What was the main quality of the neoclassical writer? Preciseness and realism is quality of the neoclassical writer. What was the realistically presented in Restoration writings? Corruption and vices of common people and corruption and vices of the court was realistically presented in Restoration writings. The Royal Society was established in 1662. The Royal Society was established in 1662 and adopted mathematical plainness. What was the important vehicle of verse in Restoration age? Heroic couplet was the important vehicle of verse in Restoration age. The style of Restoration was precise, elegant, and formal. Precise, elegant, and formal style of Restoration age was called classical. Cromwell died in September 3rd, 1658. Charles II dug up Cromwell, beheaded him and then reburied him. Which two parties came into being in Restoration period? Tory and Whig are two parties came into Tory and Whig two parties came into being in Restoration period. Whigs had financial interests and were called liberals. Whigs had financial interests and were called liberals. Tories were conservatives and followed old traditions. Tories were conservatives and followed old traditions. When did the incident of Great Fire happen in London? 1666. The incident of Great Fire happened in London in 1666.